Hi there, students. As per usual as a phrase. Okay, notice to start with, as per is a preposition. As per usual is an adverb. Okay, as per means according to, in accordance with, consistent with. So, I have enclosed the things that you asked for, wrapped in bubble paper as per your instructions, according to your instructions. Yeah, as per, according to, as per usual. This says is what you expect as usual. So he arrived late as per usual. This is what you expect. I think as per usual, yeah, he doesn't change. I lent him some money and as per usual, he didn't pay me back. Yeah. His essay was the best of the class as per usual. Yeah, so this is what normally happens, but maybe you're a bit disappointed by it. It's what you expect, but you had hoped that things were going to be different. Okay, so as per usual, what normally happens. As per, according to, as per your instructions, as per your request. Yeah, as per a particular plan, as per your suggestion. We did it in this way. We did it in the way that was planned, in the way that was suggested. As per the agreement, I send you a check. Yeah, as per the guidelines, we acted as per the guidelines, in accordance with, following. As per specifications. Okay, so according to, in accordance with, following the instructions, following the terms, yeah, as per the terms of a particular contract, as per the deed, as per the instructions of the purchaser. In accordance with, according to. And then this phrase, as per usual. This is what normally happens. Yeah, but it's expressing maybe a bit of disappointment that things haven't changed. Things are exactly the same as they ever were. Yeah, so he turned up without any money as per usual, and he didn't buy his round as per usual. Okay, so as per usual, this is what normally happens. Yeah, I tried to read her mind and guess what she was going to say, but as per usual, I got nowhere at all. Yeah, so as per usual, as normally, as you might expect. Okay, he arrived early as per usual. Yeah, there will be a video at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. 6 a.m. British time, as per usual, as normally, what normally happens. No sadness about that one, certainly. Okay, so formality, as per usual. I think I would give this a 4 in formality. The phrase is as per usual is a bit critical. Use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal conversation. You might use it in a semi-formal writing. As per, as in as per instructions, I think I would give this a 6 in formality, maybe a 6.5. According to, informally. Yeah, as per instructions. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. It's good for a letter as well. Notice, as per, you could just write per. Yeah, I sent him the money per instructions. You could use that, but I think I prefer as per. It's more normal. Okay, so as per, this is a preposition. Yeah, as per usual, an adverb. Okay, he came first, as per usual. I wish somebody else had won. Okay, so origin. I haven't done the origin yet. Okay, per comes from Latin, meaning through, from Proto-Indo-European, per. Okay, and then per itself, I mean per each, for each. £3 per dozen. Yeah, per, by the means of, per injection, you could say medically, per, in accordance to. Yeah, I parked per instructions. Yeah, per. Okay, the items you requested have been sent to you per request, per your request. I think I would prefer as per your request, but you can do it. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating as per usual. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. As per usual, as per prepositions.